Apollo.io's lead finding capabilities are enhanced by its robust geofiltering system. Geofilters allow you to target leads based on location. Start by using the search engine to apply filters like country, state, province, city, or even a specific radius, such as within 10 miles of San Francisco. This function leverages Apollo's database of over 265 million contacts, enriched with IP-based location data and social profiles. For example, search for software engineers in the job title field, and then apply a geo filter for New York, NY to narrow your results. The AI-powered filters now allow for precise location-based searches down to neighborhoods or zip codes, integrated with real-time data from LinkedIn and company websites. Also, with Apollo Geo Insights, you can overlay demographic and behavioral data onto maps for visual lead mapping. This is a fundamental step for location-based targeting within Apollo.io. Be aware of privacy concerns, so use ethical geofiltering. Once you've filtered your leads by location, save your search as a list for recurring access or segmentation. For example, you can create a list specifically for tech leads in California. Lists support bulk actions like tagging or enrichment with Apollo's AI, predicting lead scores based on location-specific behaviors. Next, you can export your list as a CSV file or directly integrate it into CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot, enabling seamless lead transfer. When exporting, select desired fields: name, email, phone, location, choose the format, and be mindful of export limits. The free tier allows up to 500 monthly exports, while paid plans offer unlimited exports. The process is search, apply geofilters, save as list, export, enrich. Integrating Apollo's exports into your CRM can significantly boost geo-targeted campaigns, increasing engagement. Apollo.io is widely adopted by SMBs and enterprises, with over 500,000 users, and is compliant with GDPR and CCPA for global geo searches.